I really like the suspension. Hey, it's Tim, and we're gonna be doing an update now on the Varla Eagle 1 after 1,000 kilometers. What's that, like around 750, 800, yeah, about 700 miles, give or take. I'm at one of my favorite bakeries in all of Victoria. This is Hidden Gem right here in Cook Street Village. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go for a ride with Michael. He's gonna follow me around, lead the way. I'm gonna share with you everything from ride, what I like, what I don't like, what's broken down, do I still recommend the Eagle 1, and lots of other things too. So come with us. What do I really like about the Eagle 1? I really like the suspension. It's so bouncy and soft, I love it. It's just so bouncy, it's soft. Some of those bumps you don't see coming, this thing just eats them right up. You know what, the added security of a key, again, I really like that. The grips have been excellent. You know what, they're still nice and rubbery, really easy, really solid. Having the lockable grips, it's awesome because they don't rotate, they stay in place. One of the things I really like are the double clamps, so that when you're loosening it off, the double clamps just make it so strong and there's no wiggle room whatsoever in the entire stem. That's a big deal when you're a big guy, where you do not want a stem that's getting a little bit wobbly. So I thought I'd end the video where it all started. So the very first ride I ever did with the Eagle 1 was actually in the very first video clip that I even shot was right here on this rock with this beautiful backdrop behind me. So here we go. This is the Varla Twin 1000 watts. Very special thank you to Varla for sending this up to me. The video itself is going to be a lot shorter than I thought it was going to be. I was riding along just now with Michael. It's kind of cold. It's really cold up here in Canada right now. It's starting to warm up a little bit. But as I'm riding along, I'm thinking to myself, you know what? The ride's fantastic. The acceleration is fantastic. Really what you want to know, what broke in the last 1,000 kilometers? And I can safely say I've had one flat tire, and that's it. I've got a minor thing with the brake. The brake itself on the left-hand side is a little bit soft, so I think it just needs a minor adjustment. The range has been exceptional. I've been able to go 30, 35 kilometers without any issue whatsoever. So gear number 1, turbo, and I find that I end up going around 32 kilometers per hour. Gear 2 is in the mid 40s, again with turbo 1. And gear 3, I still don't know how fast this will go. The advertised speed is 40 miles an hour, which is about 64 kilometers per hour. But yeah, I don't see the need to go that fast, so I don't. Something else I really like about the Eagle 1 is the cruise control. I've had that set on, and it just makes life so simple. You're not having to play around with the trigger throttle, and you just hit the speed you like and enjoy the views. The deck size is excellent for my feet. It folds up. Sure, it's kind of a bit of a bugger to lift. It's kind of heavy, but it's not like you know, I can lift it without an issue. So if you're a big guy too, it's what, 75 pounds? It's really not that big a deal. I love it. I absolutely love it. So if you're thinking of getting one, just go for it. I think this thing's amazing. It's certainly lasted now for the last almost a full year without any issues whatsoever. So highly recommend it. Big guy approved. And cut.